Welcome to Bikeverse. 338 horsepower, 0 to 70, it's not Mernate, and it is a completely different animal. Look at every angle. Toyota ditched the black cladding on the wheel arches that made the old BZ4X look clunky. Mubashir had driven hybrids his whole life. This was his first pure EV. He was about to find out if the switch was as easy as Toyota said. Every detail here is different from the BZ4X. That hammerhead LED strip, the hammerhead design language. Because the BZ is fully electric, it does not need a large grille for engine cooling. Instead, 3 variants. The 57.7 kilowatt-hour FWD at 168 HP. First impression on the road? Silence. Not the quiet of a hybrid, complete, absolute silence from the powertrain. Multiple color options on the BZ. Juniper blue, what Mubashir chose. Celestite gray for the understated premium.
ETNGA. Toyota Bajuli electric platforms. Reared, 338 horsepower.
3 powertrains. 168 HP, adequate for city use. 221 HP, instant torque. This is the electric advantage that no Signalmastix fully communicates. At 5.1 seconds. 0 to 62 miles per hour. In context, 1 speed. The BZ has a single ratio transmission. There are no gear changes, no shift events. LA freeway. The 405 at 70 miles per hour. Mubashir found it interestingly, and the BZ Ewa Frezes AWD on an electric platform. Unlike mechanical AWD in a petrol car, the BZ's front and rear regenerative braking. When Mubashir lifts off the accelerator, the electric motor acts as a generator. Ventilated disc brakes, front and rear. This detail matters. 74.7 kilowatt hours. The largest battery option in the BZ, 278 miles. EPA estimated for the AWD, up to 288 in the most efficient conditions. NACS, the North American charging standard, now the US industry standard. The 2026 BZ uses 30 minutes, from 10 to 80% on a DC fast charger, a 30-minute stop that made a 280-mile day possible. 11 kilowatts of AC onboard charging. Level 2 home charging, a 2 approximately 3 miles around Ramti.
Range comparison across the 3 variants. 57.7 kilowatt EVD, 298.9 miles.
Joshua Tree National Park. Toyota's Radialisma Madi Terrico Performance.
11% remaining. The fast charger in Palm Desert. Mubashir plugged in the NACS connector. 1 cost per mile. At average US electricity prices, the BZ AWD costs approximately 4 cents per mile. Charging and range summary, 74.7 kilowatt-hour battery, full watt-hour battery, 298 miles. Step inside the 2026 BZ and the first thing you notice, this is not the BZ4X interior. Toyota completely overhauled 14-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both wireless, no cable required. The screen is large, responsive, and dual wireless charging pads. Both front passengers can charge their phones simultaneously with no cables. Materials. The BZ4X interior received criticism. It looked better in photographs than it did in person. Toyota addressed this directly for 2020.
With no engine noise, better running costs, and an interior that I am actually comfortably miles, that is enough.
No black cladding on the wheel arches. Toyota removed it for the 2026 standard BZ. The dimensions. 184.6 inches long, 73.2 inches wide, 65 inches tall. The gently sloping roofline. On most crossovers with a sloped rear headroom suffers. The rear. The red LED strip that crosses the full width of the tailgate, connecting both tail lamp units into a single 8.2 inches of ground clearance for occasional off-road. The AWA system handles the Joshua Tree access road with ease. The Woodland variant. Assembled at Subaru's Yajima plant in Japan, which tells you something. 40-foot turning circle. In an LA parking structure, the BZ's compact dimensions make tight turns manageable. At the Skull Rock viewpoint in Joshua Tree.
A Toyota electric crossover in the middle of the desert, 140 miles from LA, silent, and it looks like it belongs.
Design and practicality summary. Hammerhead 100 front LED to 12 standard points to penalize the picker color bay.
The compact electric crossover. The segment that actually matters for EV adoption. This is the fight. Tesla Model Y, the benchmark. The gap in 2026, smaller than ever before. The BZ now accesses Tesla's supercharger network. Kia EV6 AWD. 340 steering, more driver involvement. Who should choose the BZ AWD? The first-time EV buyer who wants to most at home or ride. The BZ versus the Toyota RAV4. The buyer comparison that matters most. The petrol to EV switcher. Toyota's reliability advantage. In the EV segment,
up to $7,500 in federal EV tax credit for eligible buyers of the 2026 Toyota BZ.
There is no 338 horsepower electric crossover at this price with this charging network access and battery and range. 57.7 kilowatt-hour, 234.9 miles range. Technology, 14-inch touchscreen infotainment, standard, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless. Assembly, standard BZ built at the Motomachi plant in Japan. Woodland variant built at Subaru's Yajima plant in Japan. ETN dedicated End of the Joshua Tree run. 280 miles. The BZ had answered every time. EPA says 278 miles. Mubasher's real-world result in 100-degree Joshua Tree heat, approximately on the straight desert highway approaching the park entrance, 75 miles per hour, radar crews holding the lane and speed.
I was nervous about buying an EV, but the 280 back felt like a normal road trip. I did not miss my petrol car for a single kilometer.
The drive home. Highway 10 westbound from Palm Desert, 110 miles to LA. Eco mode activated. Radar crews managing.
I was nervous about buying an EV, but this 280-mile road trip felt completely normal. The range was great, charging was easy, and I didn't miss my old car at all.
If this review helped you think about the EV switch, subscribe to Bikeverse right now. Hit the bell every week for free for you. We have spent a full day through LA, through the desert, through Joshua Tree National Park. Here is what Bikeverse actually thinks. The 2026 Toyota BZ feel easy, not because it takes a switch the fastest, but because it removes every reason not to switch. Honest pros, Toyota reliability is genuinely earned. NACS supercharger access removes network anxiety. Perfect for the first-time EV buyer who wants Toyota's proven reliability. The existing Toyota owner who wants to go electric without changing. The 2026 BZ is a course correction. Toyota fixed every issue with the BZ4X. This is the Toyota EV that deserves to be on every first-time buyer's shortlist. 338 HP, 278 miles, 75 adonisimal fadvirwal. He sent one message to his friend. Do it now.